everyone, welcome to all. This side Shivani Merkunde. I'm your Python trainer. I work as a Python full stack trainer in Arbor. So let's get started.
All this side Shivani. Now in today's session what we are discussing, what is the difference between indexing and slicing. The indexing and slicing mostly used on the data structure such as list, string and tuple data structure. So let's get started. Now first of all we discuss what is indexing. Okay, so see, I'll tell you one example. If we have some data and we wanted to fetch a single item from that data structure, that time we can use indexing. Okay? Indexing is used to access a single element from a sequence of a data. And which sequence of data? Such as the list, tuple and dictionary. Sorry, dictionary पे work नहीं होता है. Only list, string and tuple. Dictionary and set pay, if you try to fetch, you will get the error. Okay, and returns only one value based on the position. Now which position we are talking? There are two types of indexing, which is the positive indexing and negative indexing. The negative indexing is always start from right to left. Okay, and the starting value of the negative indexing is always -1. Okay, and what is the positive indexing? The positive indexing is always start from left to right, and it is always start from 0. Okay, now when to access or when to prefer a positive indexing and negative indexing? When you wanted to fetch the value from the starting, that time you can use positive indexing, and when you wanted to fetch a data from the last, you can use negative indexing. Okay, now what is a slicing? See, a slicing is used to access a multiple element from the sequence of data. Again, list, tuple and string. Now it is the way whenever you wanted to fetch a multiple item. Slicing से ही समझ में आ रहा है कि हमें कुछ पार्ट स्लाइस करना होता है. ठीक है, एंड इंडेक्सिंग क्या है? सिंगल वैल्यूज फेच करना. ओके, नाउ टेक एग्जांपल. हमारे पास एक लिस्ट ऑफ डेटा है. आई वांटेड टू फेच अ टॉप और स्टार्टिंग के 5 स्टूडेंट मुझे फेच करना है, तो हम किसका यूज करेंगे? स्लाइसिंग का. और स्लाइसिंग में हमें एक रेंज देनी पड़ती है, विच इज स्टार्ट इंडेक्स देन एंड इंडेक्स. जंपिंग भी होता है बट वी डोंट नीड टू गिव द जंपिंग. उसका डिफॉल्ट 1 होता है. ठीक है, सी विल डू दिस विद द हेल्प ऑफ कोड. Now I have created one data structure, or this is like a string data structure. I wanted to fetch the only first item from this data. So what I need to do? Data and then index number. We are fetching from positive indexing. So this one give us W. Okay. What if I wanted to fetch from the last value or last character? So here we can go with negative indexing. Okay, see the negative indexing. But with the indexing we cannot fetch multiple values at one time. That time slicing come in picture. See, what is the slicing? Slicing always have start index number, start index, then end index. I'll give likewise which end index, and then jump. Jump is default, but the default value for the jump, which is 1. Okay, now I wanted to get first 3 values. So what I need to send here first is subject, right? Starting index is 0. Now count this 0, 1, 2. If I give the 2, the last value or the end value is always -1. So if you give the 2, it will go -1. So it will become 1. So always give the extra 1 value. So 0, 1, 2. So I need to give here 3. Okay, this is default in Python. So we cannot do anything with that. See, the first 3 values we are getting. Right? Yes, we can also do the indexing here. If I wanted to give the first value or last value from this one, subject dot math. So what we'll get here? Math. Okay. Then I wanted to check second last value. which is subject, what I need to put here, which is 1. ठीक है? Okay. Now there are some common error which student makes. See, here is value which is how many item is there, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Consider this is the 8, but if you are trying to fetch which is 10, so you will get the index error here. ठीक है? So always Python what do, how many item is there, that the time or that the way Python will give the values. Okay, so this is the indexing and slicing. In many of interviews for the fresher and for the experience also this ये वाला difference पूछा जाता है. Hope so guys आपको understanding आई होगी. For this video, like and subscribe. For now, bye.